Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to get the server's hardware details on Windows. The Task Manager is a powerful tool for monitoring and managing system processes, services, and resources. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Task Manager from the menu. To view RAM usage, select the Memory section on the Performance tab. This section will show you how much memory the system is currently using, how much memory you have, and its specifications among other things. You can check your computer's processor usage by clicking the CPU section. The processor box shows you a variable CPU percentage utilization figure, current clock speed, base clock speed, system uptime, and more. CPU-Z is a free, lightweight application that provides detailed information about the system's hardware. It details the CPU, caches, mainboard, and memory, RAM. First, download and install CPU-Z. After that, open it. In the CPU tab, you will have details about the processor name, technology, and clocks. On the caches, you can see the amount and structure of each cache. In the mainboard tab, you can find the name, model, and type of the motherboard. In the memory tab, you can find the type and size of your random access memory. Also, there is a timing section that provides complete information about the timings of RAM. Next, the graphics tab provides you with complete information about graphic cards installed on your system or server. In the Bench tab, there is a Stress CPU button that your CPU will be under stress if you press, and the CPU-Z gives a rank for your CPU. As you have seen, CPU-Z is an application used to obtain the server's hardware details. However, this app is not sufficient to provide us with complete information about the disk. Using the Crystaldiskmark, you can test the speed of your disks. First, download and install the Crystaldiskmark. After installing and running the app, you will see the following window. As you can see, there are some options to change between the disks and choose the storage you need to test and the unit of testing. To do this, we will use another product of Crystaldisk, which is Crystaldiskinfo. After downloading, installing, and running, you will see the following interface. You will have full details of your disk like the temperature, healthiness, and other details.